Good morning, students. I am R.K. Yadav. Today we will study about linear equation in two variables. Chapter 4 Mathematics of class 9. Linear equation. The equation of a straight line is the linear equation. It could be in one variable or in two variable. Suppose if an equation is in the form ax plus b equal to 0, then this is known as linear equation in one variable, and variable is x. This is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. And if the equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then this equation is known as linear equation in two variable. Here x is one variable and y is another variable, and degree of this equation is 1, here 1, so this is known as linear. And the examples of linear equation in one variable: x plus 5 equal to 10, y minus 3 equal to 9, x plus 5 equal to 10, y minus 3 equal to 19, and ax plus by plus equal to c is the standard form of linear equation in one variable, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. These are called linear equation in one variable because the highest degree of the variable is 1. Graph of linear equation in one variable. The graph of linear equation in one variable is always a straight line like this. Suppose this point is 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If we plot x equal to 2 on this number line, then this is the point. So the graph of x equal to 2 is this number line, and x equal to 2 is here. X equal to 2 can be marked on the number line as follows. This is number line, and this is a simple number line, and here is x equal to 2. This is the graph of x equal to 2. And now linear equation in two variables. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables, where a, b are coefficients and c is the constant. A is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. And some other examples of linear equation in two variable: 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Solution of linear equation. There is one and only one solution in the linear equation in one variable. Suppose 2x equal to 5. This is the linear equation in one variable. So there will be one and only one solution, that is x equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. This is the only one solution. But there are infinite many solutions in the linear equation in two variable. For example, if 2x plus 3y equal to 7, then there will be infinite number of solution. That is, for every value of x, there will be corresponding value of y. When you put x equal to 0, then you will get y equal to 7 by 3, and if you will put y equal to 0, then you will get x equal to, and then you will get x equal to 7 by 2. And similarly, if you put x equal to 1, you will get y, and so on. There will be infinite number of solutions. As there are two variables, then the solution will be in the form of an order pair, that is xy. The pair which satisfy the equation is the solution of that particular equation. Let's take example. Find the solution of the equation this. Here, when we put x equal to 0, then we get y equal to 7. This is so 0 and 7 will be the one solution. Here we write in the form of x and y. Firstly we write the value of x and then the value of y. So 0 and 7 is the solution of this equation. There will be infinite number of solutions for this equation. If we put y equal to 0 in the above equation, then we get x equal to 3.5. So 3.5 and 0 is the solution of above equation. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. For this, firstly we will draw the table and find the value of x and y, at least 3 pairs, and then plot them on the Cartesian plane. So graph of linear equation in two variables, we need to draw a table to write the solution of the given equation and then plot them on the Cartesian plane. By joining these coordinates, we get the line of the equation. The coordinates which satisfy the given equation lies on the line of equation, and every point x, y on the line is the solution. X equal to a, y equal to b of the given equation. Any point which does not lie on the line AB is not a solution of equation. Now draw graph of the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. For this, we will take some value. Suppose we draw a table like this, x and y. When x equal to 0, then y equal to 12. When x equal to 0, then y equal to 12 upon 4. That is 4 3 is 12, 3. And when y equal to 0, here is 0, then x equal to 12 upon 3, 4. So here order pair is 0 3 and 4 0. We will plot 0 3 and 4 0 on the graph paper, and we will get the required graph. So now let's plot these points. We will draw x and x dash. This point is x and this is x dash, and the perpendicular to this axis y and y dash. This is y, this is y dash, and here we'll write 1 2 3 4 and so on. Here -1 -2 -3, and upside 1 2 3 and so on. Below -1 -2 -3. Now plot 4 0. This point is 4 0 and this point is 0 3. Now join these 2 points. We will get the required line. This is the equation of graph of the linear equation in two variable. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Here this is x-axis, x dash. This is y-axis, this is y and y dash. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and parallel to this, suppose this is parallel line to the x-axis at a distance b from x-axis. So equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equal to b. This line becomes y equal to b, and equation of a line parallel to y-axis, this is y-axis, and suppose this line is parallel to y-axis and this is at a distance a from y-axis. So equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance from the y-axis is x equal to a. When we draw the graph of a linear equation in one variable, it will be a point on the number line. Suppose x minus 5 equal to 0 implies that x equal to 5. This shows that it has only one solution, that is x equal to 5. So it can be placed on the number line. So plotting x minus 5 equal to 0, we will simply draw a number line and plot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and left hand side minus 1, minus 2, and here is x equal to 5. So this point is 5. So this is the x equal to 5. So this is the graph of linear equation in one variable. But if we draw the same graph on the number line, Cartesian plane, that is in two variable, then we will get like this. But if we treat this equation as the linear equation in two variables, then it will have infinite many solutions and the graph will be a straight line. So now let's draw this graph. Given that x minus 5 equal to 0, we can write this equation in two variable as x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. So the graph of this equation in two variable becomes like this. This point is 5 and this is a parallel line which is parallel to y-axis, and this is x equal to 5 here. This is x equal to 5. So this graph is the graph of x minus 5 equal to 0 in two variable. Simply, if given that you draw the graph of x equal to, or Suppose a question, draw the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variable, and second in two variable. So when we draw one variable, simply we will draw a number line, and the given equation is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 9 by 2 equal to minus 4.5. And when we draw this line in one variable, then simply we will draw a number line here: 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, here 1, 2, this is 4, minus 4.5. So this point is x equal to minus 4.5. This is the graph of the given equation in one variable. If we draw in two variable, then we will draw the Cartesian plane like x dax and y dax, and here 1 2 3, and so on. Below minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and this point is minus 4.5. So the graph of the given equation in two variable is like this. This is the graph of given linear equation in two variable is this.